morning, students. In this video lesson, we will study more about the chapter Human Reproduction. So first of all, we will start today's lesson by the process known as gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process of the formation of gamete in sexually reproducing animal. When we talk about sexually reproducing animal, the gametes which are found in such type of animal are of two types. One is male gamete and second is female gamete. Male gamete is generally known as sperm and female gamete is generally known as ovum or egg cell. So the process of gametogenesis is divided into another two processes, that is spermatogenesis, that means the formation of haploid sperm from diploid spermatogonia. Second is oogenesis, that is the formation of haploid ovum from the diploid germ cell which is present in the ovary. Spermatogenesis, the process of formation of haploid male gamete known as sperm in seminiferous tubule of testes is called as spermatogenesis. The inner wall of the seminiferous tubule contains two types of cell, germ cell known as spermatogonial cell and Sertoli cell also known as nurse cell. Germ cell divide and develop into sperm while the Sertoli cell nourishes the developing sperm. The process of spermatogenesis takes place in two stages. Number one, spermatidogenesis, and second is spermiogenesis. Spermatidogenesis is the process of formation of spermatid. It involves three stages. First is multiplication stage. The spermatogonial cell or the germ cell present on the inside wall of seminiferous tubule multiply by mitotic division and increase the number. Second is the growth phase. Spermatogonia grows and increase the size and form primary spermatocyte. Each spermatogonium is diploid and contain 46 chromosomes. Third phase of spermatidogenesis is maturation phase. The diploid primary spermatocyte undergo first meiosis resulting in the formation of two haploid cells called secondary spermatocyte. This later undergoes second meiotic division to produce four haploid spermatid. Another process is spermiogenesis. It is the process of formation of inactive non-motile spermatid into active motile spermatozoa. The spermatid undergoes following structural changes. The small vesicle of Golgi complex fuse to form a large cup-like acrosome at the anterior end of the nucleus. The two centrioles of spermatid move towards the nucleus and rearrange beneath the nucleus as a proximal and distal centriole. The distal centriole elongates to form a tail. The mitochondria forms a large mass at the next cell. The nucleus become elongated and form a spherical shape. Next is the structure of sperm or spermatozoa. It consists of four parts: head, neck, middle piece and tail, enveloped by a plasma membrane. Head. It is the enlarged end of a sperm containing the large haploid nucleus in condensed form of a chromatin body and is capped by acrosome. The acrosome contains the hydrolytic enzyme that help in dissolving membrane of the ovum for fertilization. Below the head, a small neck is present. It contains proximal centriole, which is necessary for the first cleavage division of zygote, and the distal centriole that is connected to the tail filament. Next is middle piece. It contains a number of mitochondria that provide energy for the movement of the tail that facilitates sperm motility, which is essential for the process of fertilization. The last and fourth part of the sperm is tail. The tail is divided into principal piece and end piece. The principal piece has axial filament which is surrounded by a plasma membrane. The end piece lacks the protoplasmic sheet. Tail helps the sperm to swim in a fluid medium. A human male ejaculates about 200 to 300 million sperms during a coitus or a sexual intercourse. Seminal plasma along with the sperm constitute the semen. Hormonal control of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is initiated at the age of puberty by the gonadotropin releasing hormone, which is also known as GnRH, secreted by the hypothalamus. The increased level of GnRH stimulates the anterior pituitary, which then secrete the FSH known as follicular stimulating hormone and LH known as luteinizing hormone. FSH stimulates Sertoli cell to secrete some factors which is responsible and helpful in spermiogenesis. LH acts on the Leydig cell and causes the secretion of testosterone from the testes. Oogenesis. The process of formation of haploid female gamete or ovum in the follicles of ovary is called oogenesis. Oogenesis starts during the embryonic stage. Germinal epithelium of ovary divided mitotically to produce millions of gamete mother cell or oogonia. No oogonia is formed or added after birth. Oogonia enters into meiosis 1 and proceeds to prophase 1, where it gets suspended and form primary oocyte. During puberty, the primary oocyte restart its first meiotic division. Oogenesis takes place by 3 stages that are as follows. Number 1, multiplication phase. The ovary is lined by germinal epithelium. These cells undergo mitotic cell division to form large number of diploid oogonia and follicle cells. Second is growth phase. One of the diploid oogonia undergoes growth, increasing in cytoplasm and accumulation of yolk. This enlarged oogonia is called primary oocyte. Maturation phase. A fully grown primary oocyte undergoes first meiotic division, results in the formation of 2 unequal sized haploid cells. The large cell is secondary oocyte and a small cell is sterile polocyte or known as polar body. The secondary oocyte undergoes second meiotic division to form a large ootid, and a small sterile forms second polar body. The first polar body also undergoes equal division to produce 2 cells. Thus, during oogenesis, 4 cells are produced. Among them, 1 is functional ootid and 3 are non-functional polar bodies. The ootid with very little change becomes an ovum. Section of ovary. The ovary contains number of ovarian follicle with immature oocytes. After puberty, primary follicles get surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a new theca to form secondary follicles. The secondary follicle transformed into tertiary follicle characterized by a fluid-filled cavity called antrum. As one of the oocyte matured, the ovarian follicle develops into Graafian follicle. The wall of the Graafian follicle is made up of outer fibrous theca externa and inner vascular theca interna. Inner to the theca interna, 10 to 15 layers of follicle cells are present and form the membrana granulosa. The Graafian follicle encloses the cavity called antrum. The matured haploid ovum is present inside the Graafian follicle. The plasma membrane of the ovum is externally covered by a thick and transparent primary membrane known as zona pellucida. On the outer side of the zona pellucida, the ovum is covered by a layer of follicle cell forming corona radiata. Corona radiata attached to one side of the membrana granulosa. The C-shaped antrum is filled by fluid secreted by the follicle cell. It is rich in follicular stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone and estrogen. During ovulation, Graafian follicle releases the ovum and changes into corpus luteum. It secretes progesterone hormone to maintain the pregnancy. If the ovum is not fertilized, corpus luteum degenerates into a mass of fibrous tissue called corpus albicans.